Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Gabriel the Plumber. So for today's video, guys, like you guys can tell, we are excavating. This is a 2-inch galvanized pipe coming from the kitchen sink up here. We're located in the basement of the house. That's the first floor. We have a sink on this side. It looks like this sink it's running, draining properly. There's no issues. Just this kitchen sink upstairs, it looks like it's clogged. You can actually see that there's standing water inside the pipe, and we're trying to rot it out without no success. So that's why we have to excavate, find the main pipe underground, cut it, rot it out with the bigger machine. It should be a 4-inch pipe that we have to expose, rot it out, repipe it up again, and install the cleanout.
Eso.
Sí, es toda la grasa. Bueno, eso es el... ¿Cómo se llama? Ok, listo. And that's all the grease, guys. All the grease that calcifies with time. Toma. A la madre. ¿Quieres que rateemos antes de...
Me gustaría...
Antes de empezar a repaitear?
Me gustaría
meterle
nada más la línea para ver hasta dónde me atoro.
Sí. De todas maneras, ese problema está aquí.
Sí, ya estuvo.
Sí.
Ese era el problema.
Alright, guys. So at this moment, we already put the coupling, reinforced coupling with a 4-inch 90, street 90 to be more specific. Right now we're testing it. We are running some water. We rotted the line several times with the mainline machine. Remember, that's 4 inches there. Our guess is that comes as a 90 somewhere this way, and it joins right in this area. The customers bought the house about 2 months ago, and this is one of the surprises that they find out. We are going to recommend them to maybe rot the sewer or hydrogen the whole sewer, and do a sewer inspection as well to confirm that there's nothing else going on. Like I mentioned, we are going to install a 4-inch cleanout. And that's what it is, guys. Alright, guys, so this is what we got. 4-inch cleanout to the 90. Now we are going to go from 4 inches to 2 inches all the way up there. I'm gonna cut that 90 at that point, put a coupling, and bring it PVC. Alright, guys, so we are done with the plumbing. We put some some of the dirt back. We pipe 4 inches coming from underground, going knob to 2 inch. Coupling, reinforced coupling to galvanize. We're running some water, we're testing it. No leaks. Listo. We're going to put the concrete in place. Ahorita lo mezclo. Alright guys, so this is the final result. So the concrete is in place. Sorry about the mess. Splashed a little bit of concrete in the pipe. I'm going to clean it right now. Concrete looks pretty good. I did it myself. Not the first rodeo, but it looks good. We'll still have the water running upstairs. I can actually hear the water in the pipe. No leaks anywhere in the pipe. That's great.